Good morning, people. How are we all doing? It has been a little while since we've done a day in the life video. I've been mad busy. I'm working on a massive project indoors, so videos will be coming on that, but they're not there yet. But anyway, that's not what this video is about. We are doing another day in the life, so we are starting, I wouldn't say a big project, but not the smallest project in the world. We've got 6 door linings, 6 doors to hang, architraves on all of that, and skirtings throughout the top of a property. Now, obviously, we are not going to get all of that done today, but we're going to make a good start. We're going to get set up and everything. I'll show you around the property. Maybe get a few door linings in, stuff like that. So yeah, I'm going to bring you guys along, and we're just going to have a day together and see how much we can get done. But yeah, like I said, I've got to get set up beforehand. So the next time you'll see me, I will be in one of the bedrooms of the property with all the little mobile workshop set up. So I'll show you that when we get there. Okay guys, so here we are over the property. I'm going to spin you guys around now and let you have a little look. So I've got my little setup going on in here. Got myself a little folding bench the other day. Really happy with that actually. Don't know about the quality. Maybe a long-term review on that, but it is the same height as my benches, which I'm happy about. It's all set up, so all these doors and these linings are all coming out, and we're going back in with new. Round into here, you can see there's all our skirts, arcs, door linings, and all that all stacked down there. But yeah, we've got skirtings to go on in 3 bedrooms and the landing area out there. Yet again, doors, linings all coming out because it's all going in stained pine. So yeah, it's going to look nice. Got the 3 bedrooms, bathroom, and the landing to do. So first job for this is to start getting all of these linings and doors out. And then once they're all out, we can start putting them back in. So we're going to do linings, hang the doors, which I wouldn't normally do. I normally do architraves. I've got a new jig to do this. I bought that trend skeleton jig, so you need to use that before you put your architraves on. So we're going to do door linings, doors, architraves, skirtings, and that's the process we're going to use. Like I said, we won't get round all of that today, but we'll see how we get on. Like I said, it's already 9:30 now by the time I've got myself all set up and tools in here and all that. So yeah, we're not going to get it all done, but we'll see how we get on. Okay guys, so that's all the doors out other than the bathroom one. For obvious reasons, we'll do that one all in one hit. But we now need to get our door linings out now. We have got to be a bit careful because this is all fresh plastered. So yeah, we don't really want to blow that. Probably going to break a little bit, but we need to be as careful as we can because we don't want to take big chunks off the walls. So I'm going to show you a little bit of video footage now on a little tip to try and get these out as clean as possible. Like I said, we probably will blow a little bit of plaster, but we want to keep that to a minimum as much. So taking your time with this and trying not to like just go hammer and tong, but there's some relief cuts we can do to try and get these out nice and neatly. So I'll show you that now. Okay, so I'm going to show you on this door lining leg here. Now, I use a handsaw. You can use a multi-tool, but I find a handsaw is much easier to use. So what we want to do is, we don't want to go in straight with our handsaw because it's going to create leverage. What we want to do is put ourselves on somewhere around 30, 45 degrees. It's not important the degree, to be honest, just roughly around there. And we want to put our cut in. So when we lever our bottom part in, it's got a relief cut and it can come away. I'll show you what I mean. Okay, cut done. Let's get this in here. That's it. So you can see that's popped away. Lovely. And there you go, that's how you take a door lining out. Don't always come out as clean as that, we got lucky. Okay guys, so I was just taking the last door lining out here, you can see. And we've got newspapers and they look old. I think I might have just seen the dates. I'll prop you down, let's have a little look. So what we've got. See if we can see anything on here. There you go. That says November 13th, 1977. That's the star. Yeah, November the 13th, 1977. Got another one here. See what adverts we've got on these. I always find this interesting. Oh no, it ripped. Red Fusion TV. Hasn't got a price on it. 22-inch TVs, look at that. Red. And an article about Princess Anne. Yeah. Look at that. There we go. Interesting, isn't it? Okay, so we've run into a little snag on these door linings. If I show you guys here, this is the old door lining here, and this one, if you can see that, hopefully that'll focus, is 20mm thick. These are 27mm thick. So what that means is that the physical door lining, if I cut it to the correct size, isn't going to go in these openings because these are really tight anyway. Now, I could cut them down, put them in, but then that would mean I'd have to cut the edges off the doors, put new lip-ins in, and that's going to be a whole heap of problem. So I'm very fortunate that I've obviously got the workshop, so what I'm going to do is take these door linings away with me today, run them all down to 20mm through the planer thicknesser. So that's going to get over that issue. I will still have to reduce these a little bit because, like I said, these are really tight and I don't want to be that tight. So it means I'll only have to take about 5mm off the door, which is going to be a lot better in the long run rather than taking like 30-odd mm off of the doors. So yeah, that's going to get over that problem, but that does leave us with the problem of it only being 1:15 now. So I don't really want to waste the day. So what I am going to do is I'm going to get skirting boards round in all the places that I can, the places that basically don't need to go up to an architrave. We're going to get skirtings round in there. Not really the way that I wanted to go around things, but hey, this is, you know, when you're working in older properties, you know, you need to adjust and overcome. So that's what we're going to do now. Well, there we go, guys. Like I said, today didn't massively go to plan. It's not exactly how I wanted it to go. It wasn't a bad day by any means, you know, we got on okay. I mean, it's only 3:15 now because I've got somewhere to be, so I've had to dart off. Normally I finish about 4:30, somewhere around there, but like I said, I've got somewhere to be, so we've got to disappear. Yeah, so even though that detail with that skirting board looked lovely, I'm glad I've only got to do that for one socket, because they do take a little while to do. They do take about like 15-20 minutes to put together, and considering the fact that cutting a normal bit of skirting and doing a scribe on one end's about 5 minutes. So yeah, if you had a load of them to do, that'd be a real problem. But yeah, I'm gonna plane all them up tonight, and then I might do a second follow-up video to this. I'm not too sure yet. Let me know down in the comments if you want to see a follow-up video to this one. I'm more than happy to do another one on that. I will be doing a members only video, so if you want to go and see that, hit that little join button below. And while I'm at it, I'm going to say a massive thank you to my members. They're the people that you can see across my steering wheel here right now. They really help me, you know, put these videos out. So yeah, if you want to see any more content on this that's not on the main channel, as it were, hit that little join button down there and you can join and become a member. But anyway, guys, I'm going to leave it there. I want to thank you guys for watching. Like I said, I know this was a bit of all over the place, this video, but I just wanted to get a video out for you guys. But I'm going to leave it there. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.